Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Modified Mafias. So today here we are with Skoda VRS 2018. I'll be telling you the details. Before going towards the performance of the vehicle, this vehicle is mainly based on the performance. So before going towards the performance side, let me show you a walk around. Then I'll be introducing like what are the modes done in this vehicle, where is it done, who's the owner of this car. So let's have a walk around first and then I'll tell you the details, okay? So let's have a side look. Coming towards the side portion, as you can see the vehicle is lowered. It's not any kind of lowered spring, it's in full suspension, it's in coilover. And let's go towards the interior. Coming towards the interior, as you can see, this is the steering of Skoda VRS. It's a sports edition, of course, it's a sports edition. And the interior, there's no much changes. It's all stock. The VRS has all these kind of seatings. And you may be thinking, what are all these? I'll be explaining you this. This is air fuel ratio and boost gauge. And as you can see, this is water methanol injection controller. They will be controlled by the driver. So let's have a walk around again. Interior, and there's no much changes. You can see this is a carbon fiber dipping. This is stock, nothing aftermarket. Coming towards here, the vehicle isn't tinted. These are the magnetic net which you get in market. And again you can see a logo code 6 tune. So I'm just revealing this vehicle is modified by code 6 tune. And coming again, you can see these calipers are been painted here. And this is an aftermarket paint job done here. Let's coming towards the back section, you can see an Octavia, again code 6 tuned. The vehicle is modified by, tuned by code 6. And again the VRS, it's not a normal VRS. Of course it's not a normal VRS. Okay, let me reveal it. The vehicle is stage 3. So you'll be asking how much HP does it produce, what's the power, what's the horsepower. I'll tell you. So I'm saying, as I said, this is not a normal VRS. It's, you can say, it's abnormal VRS. It's a rocket. I swear. I just had a spin before taking this video. I swear I'm just fan. Actually, I'm a fan of Octavia, but VRS is a legend. Okay, let's come towards the side portion. There's no much changes in the side portion. The vehicle is running on stock tires, stock rims. There's no aftermarket changes in the wheel section. It's a back side of VRS, the back seating. You can just see. You can see the VRS logo in the seatings. It's not logo actually. It's printed by Skoda. There's nothing aftermarket. The comfort is next level. These are the cushions given by the car, I guess Skoda itself, if I'm not wrong. All changes on the performance based. So performance based, I'll be taking you for a spin. I'll show you the performance. 0 to 100 you may not find much great changes. Of course it has changes, but then 100 to 200, I swear you're gonna see heaven. Yeah, so let's go towards the engine hood. This is the engine bay. So you may not find much changes in the engine bay, but there's a total change in engine. And yeah, the vehicle is de-chromed. All the chrome has been deleted. There's no chrome. You can see these things. This is because these people go for the night drive, so you can find those stones sticking in night drive. So that's totally fine. So coming towards the engine hood, the performance base.
This is an aftermarket oil catch can by CTS. a racing line intake system. This car has also got a high pressure fuel pump upgrade and an IS38 turbo upgrade.
So the normal VRS has around 230 HP. This is a stage 3 as I told you. So many people have been guessed it how much HP is it. I'll just let me reveal it. It's 440 HP. As I said, it's not a normal VRS. And coming towards 0 to 100, I guess it's around 4.25. Just keep it as 5 seconds. If I get a chance, I would surely show you about 0 to 100 because today we have a lot of traffic, and actually the owners has spared me a bit time of his precious time, and he let me reveal this car, so I don't want to burden him. So if I get a chance, I would show you 0 to 100, or else if by chance if he has an old clip, I'll be adding in this. Okay guys. Guys, if you like our videos, please do share, like and subscribe, and we are gonna come again with some dope videos.
Audio